Welcome, Rat Black here. Hey, I just picked up this awesome Johnny Lightning RAMCHARGERS 2-pack. '71 Challenger and a '70 Super Stock CUDA. And here are the other castings that you'll find in a case of these Johnny Lightnings. It's from 2025, release 1. Distribution is really behind. You got a pair of Boogie Vans, two of those in the case. Pair of the Shelbys. The one that I ordered has the Chrome Shelby 2-pack. Can't wait till that arrives at the Rat's Nest to check it out in close detail. Hope you're there to share. And then the RAMCHARGERS also. And that's the package that we have. Let's take a closer look. Here is a underhood view of the '71. What an awesome set from Johnny Lightning. And then the 1970. Take a closer look at that. The original Candymatic. A little better. I'll work on that. I don't know about that hood opening up. Yep. Hood opens up. Just a sliver though. Now, let's put them in the Plano case. There's a good spot. And there's a spot for that one too. Thanks for joining me as I opened up this 2-pack from Johnny Lightning. Love to hear your comments. I read them all. That's all for today. From Rat Black.